Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is Mahmoud here, and today we are doing something incredibly special that I have been planning for a long time. As you can see on your screen right now, there is a mysterious silhouette and a dark shadow of a character that has absolutely dominated the anime world recently. Before we even lay down the first pencil stroke or draw a single line, I have a massive challenge for all the hardcore anime fans watching this right now. I want you to pause the video immediately and head down to the comment section to post your best guess. Who is this character? What anime is he from? Is he a hero or a villain? I will be personally hearting every single correct guess. So let us see who really has the sharpest eyes in our community. This is not just a drawing tutorial, it is a test of your knowledge and your intuition. So do not skip this part and let me know your thoughts down below. Now let us begin the actual process by laying down the fundamental structure of the face. We are starting with a clean circle and the basic cross lines, because even a king needs a solid foundation to look powerful. Notice how I am shaping the jawline to be very sharp and aggressive, because this character carries a heavy aura of authority and danger. As we move into the hair, you will see it is quite spiky and wild, which is a very distinctive trait for this specific person. Each stroke of the pencil must be confident because his personality is anything but shy. While I am working on these initial details, I want to remind you that if you want to support my artistic journey and get some amazing exclusive perks, like custom loyalty badges and special emojis, you can click that join button right now or find the membership link in the description. Your support helps me keep this channel growing and allows me to bring you more high-quality tutorials every single week. We are now entering the most critical phase of this video, which is the eyes. They often say the eyes are the window to the soul, but for this character, they are a window to something much more ancient and darker. Pay very close attention to how I am sketching the shape of the eyelids and the intensity of the gaze. This is where the character truly starts to come to life, and where the mystery begins to reveal itself to those who know him well. We are adding those iconic marks and tattoos that sit right beneath the eyes, because these are his signature features. The symmetry here is everything, so take your time if you are drawing along with me. This gaze is meant to be intimidating and overwhelming, just like his presence in the anime. We are focusing all our energy on making these eyes look as sharp and menacing as possible. I know many of you are sitting on the edge of your seats waiting to see the full face and the final ink work, but we are actually going to stop right here at the eyes for today. Consider this the beginning of a dark ritual that we will finish very soon. I am leaving you with this intense gaze to keep the mystery alive and to give everyone a chance to discuss their theories in the comments. Did you guess it right? Does he look like who you thought he was? This is just the first part of our journey, and the next upload will be the grand reveal where we complete the tattoos, the rest of the face, and the final shading. Make sure your notification bell is turned on, so you are the first to know when the king is fully unleashed. Thank you all for being part of this mystery and for your incredible support. Keep practicing your sketches, and I will see you in the next video for the final transformation.